Namaskar. Welcome. Today we will understand the right way to move from body oriented personality towards the understanding oriented personality. Before that, it is better to know what is body oriented personality and what is understanding oriented personality. Let's talk about body oriented personality. The person gives priority to the materialistic things like car, bungalow, money, property, flats, and so on. And the person gives more importance to the physical appearance, look, dress, physical fitness, and things more closer to the body is called body oriented personality. Overall, you can understand in this way that the person looks only the outer part of the things, situations, or persons is called body oriented personality. You may heard the parable, don't judge the book by its cover, is very much suitable for the body oriented personality. This kind of persons most of time judge the people by their clothes or by their looks. Now let's talk about understanding oriented personality. The person gives priority to their understanding, not to the mind. The person gives priority to their past experiences and the positive part of their life is called understanding oriented personality. These kind of persons are always goal oriented persons. These kind of persons are very committed persons. These kind of persons are try to more aware rather to enjoy the things. Now let's understand the right and practical way to move from body oriented personality to understanding oriented personality. Body oriented personalities are very much connected and attached to the physical body. Why? Because they think they are only their body. Not only they think, actually they live their life as if they are only their body or they have only their body. For example, when your body is hungry, you are saying, I am hungry. When your body is tired, you are saying, I am tired. So, by these examples, you can understand that you are living as if you are a body. You identify yourself as a body. You attached with your body. To move from body oriented lifestyle to understanding oriented lifestyle, you have to free you from your body. So, to free you from your body, to lose your attachment from your body, you need to know your body more. You have to observe your body more. Here, Hatha Yoga is the best way to know your body, to observe your body. For your kind information, Hatha Yoga is discovered and designed to move from body towards beyond body. It frees you from your body. So, by the right practice of Hatha Yoga, you can enhance your body awareness by which you can experience that you are separate than your body. You are not your body. In fact, you have this body and you are beyond your body. After this experience, you can able to free yourself from your body and move forward towards the understanding oriented personality. Let you know one more important thing, that your body is the outer part of your mind and your mind is the inner part of your body. So, when you are trying your best to free you from your body and want to live a understanding oriented lifestyle, then you must not forget also to work with your mind, as your mind is the inner part of the body. Meditation practice is the best way to have a balanced mind. A balanced mind helps to realize you that you are not your body and help you to free from your body. As you are a body oriented person, you are on your body level. So, you should give more priority to practice Hatha Yoga, because wherever you are right now, you can start your journey from there. Because you are on your body level, you should give priority to the practice of Hatha Yoga. Because Hatha Yoga helps you to work with your body so that you can free from your body. Yes, you do practice meditation as a supportive practice. After free yourself from your body, you must not stuck on the level of your mind. That's why meditation practice also important for you, as you are a body-oriented person. So, the right practice of Hatha Yoga and the right practice of meditation is the right solution to free you from your body and help you to move from body-oriented personality towards your understanding-oriented personality. For your kind information, since 1000 years, our Indian traditional yogic science has proved that Hatha Yoga and meditation both are the best ways to free you from your body and mind. Yes, next time we will talk what is Hatha Yoga, what is the principle to practice Hatha Yoga, what is meditation, and what is the right way to practice meditation. All these questions we'll take in next session. The path of yoga is the official and practical way to lead you from your body-oriented lifestyle towards the understanding-oriented lifestyle, and later towards the wisdom-oriented lifestyle. When you more understand and more observe your body and mind by the right practice of Hatha Yoga and meditation, and also not give any priority to your body and mind, then automatically an unique quality will arise within you, is called understanding. It means a committed attitude, disciplined attitude, goal-oriented attitude, and some other great qualities comes automatically in you, and you can experience that you are growing. A self-confidence comes you by itself. This self-confidence and the experience of growing is the real sign of understanding oriented personality. I hope you have understood the right way to move from body oriented personality towards the understanding oriented personality. If not, please write your questions in comment box. Thank you for giving your precious time. Take care. Have a great time ahead.